Namaste, good morning. Myself Anita Fagedia from Bikaner. Today I will help you in making of Amla candy from Indian gooseberry. This is the same procedure as I have first said in all my videos. I had put this Amla in the freezer for 2 nights. Then had placed it outside to maintain room temperature. It becomes pulpy. After that, I had steamed. See, the steam is coming. Now, see how they have opened up. Now, I will place them in a plate. And will remove the seed from it. And will also remove the skin. Now, it has become porous like a pot of water in a mud pot, porous, so that it will soak sugar. After removing the seeds from all these, the next step is always use a glass or plastic container because it is alkaline in nature and it might react with metals, especially the iron metal. The amount which I add, the proportion of sugar in this is same. If there is 1 kg amla, then the amount of sugar is 1 kg. So the ratio is 2:2. Now I will sprinkle sugar in the base of this bowl. Now I will put these amlas steamed, taken out the seeds and remove the skin, the top layer. If it comes out, it's all right. If it is not coming out, then also it's all right if you can't remove it. Now after this, I will add these ingredients on it: black salt, chaat masala, mint leaves powder or pudina powder, so it will taste nice. Now I will sprinkle black salt on this, and a pinch of chaat masala and a pinch of mint leaves, pudina. Then again I will cover it with sugar. Same thing, a pinch of salt, a pinch of chaat masala, and again a pinch of pudina, mint leaves. Then again a layer of these amlas. Then again this sugar, again a pinch of salt, black salt, again a pinch of chaat masala, again a pinch of pudina powder, mint leaves powder. When you have done the whole of these amlas, then the last step is to cover this with a layer of sugar. It should be fully covered. These pieces of amla should not be seen. Children like this, especially these candies. Now I will keep this in the kitchen or outside in the sun for the sugar to melt. We should not cover it with a lid. We should always cover it like this or with a piece of cloth so that no dust particles might settle on it. After 1 or 2 days, you should always stir it. You will see that the sugar will melt, and you will again and again turn it upside down with a spoon so that by stirring it, everything will be mixed into it. I hope you have understood. This is my first step. The next step I will teach you in my second video. Thanks. Bye. Take care.